How to use Google Authenticator app. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To use Google Authenticator app, first of all download Google Authenticator from the App Store or Play Store and ensure it's updated. Once updated, you can tap Open button and get access to Google Authenticator app. You will reach on this Get Started section where you have to tap Get Started and log in with your Google account. Then you will get access to this section where you have to select Add a Code button and add a code. You can scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Enter the code details such as the code name, your key, and type of key. Before that, make sure you have turned on two-factor authentication on your particular Google account. If not, get back from this application and open any application associated with Google and go to profile at top right corner and select the same account which you have associated with Google Authenticator app. And then select manage your account to get access to this page where you have to swipe and then reach on security. Select that and tap on to step verification. Now select authenticator and add authenticator app. Tap set up authenticator button and you can easily scan this QR code or take a screenshot for now. Using Google Lens, you can easily scan that QR code. Here you can easily see the details. Simply you can copy the text and then or simply directly you can scan from the Authenticator app as well. So after you have copied the code, select the next button and enter the code here. And now tap on Verify button. Enter the new code again and select Verify button. So let's go back again. Copy the code again and go back to the same page. And after you successfully add the code and verify, then you can easily use Google Authenticator application. So that is how we can easily use Google Authenticator application. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.